Hey guys, Emil from Resos here. Happy New Year, and what a better way to start the new year with a little product update. So today I wanted to share with you two things. One, a new feature, and second, update to a feature we already have. So first is lock a booking to a table. So the booking can't be moved away from the table unless you first unlock it again. This should help you minimize mistakes or being able to lock a table for a regular booking, something like that. So I'll show you how that works. So if we could jump over here to the system, into the schedule view, we have our bookings here for the day. If I take Morten here, for example, the booking on Morten, open that up, what you'll be able to see is now we have this little lock icon here on the table. What happens here when I lock it means now the table is locked. It will also show up here in our sidebar, and that means now the table cannot be changed or edited here for any reason. Also, if I update the persons or the people, sometimes it will update to fit, but now nothing will happen. If I then update the booking here, you can see that we have a lock on the booking overview as well. So now if I try to drag and drop it, I can't do it. If I try to swap between, two bookings, it's not possible anymore because it's locked. This way it's a way for you to lock a table and make sure that the customer keeps that table no matter what. The only way to change it is to go into the booking again and clicking unlock. Now it's unlocked, and you can again be able to remove the table here and so on. So that's the first function I wanted to show you, the locking feature. The second feature we added or updated is our current print version. As you know, if we go to the list view here, many of you already used this today. It's able to make a print for the day. In here we added some new options. So you have your list of bookings here, and then you can click on other options. So for example, this one here with communication, you can now see that what has been happened on the booking here, like a message for you sent out or something like that. So you'll be able to see that on the print view as well. So that's just a few options we added, and just want to quickly show you guys as well. That's it. Thank you a lot for listening in, and once again, Happy New Year. I'm looking forward to shooting a lot more of these videos in the new year here. So follow along and subscribe to our YouTube, and you'll get a lot more of these. Have a great day. Bye.